Traditional chamfer bits can't get into the intricate details of pattern routing and scroll saw projects. Ultra-Shear's new Microbearing chamfer bits get in and out of the tight corners to deliver the smooth edges you're looking for throughout your project. At 3/16 of an inch diameter, the ball-bearing pilots on the Ultra-Shear Microbearing chamfers are the smallest in the industry, and only Ultra-Shear uses 2 stack bearings installed tight to the end of the cutting edge. With chamfer angles of 22.5, 30, 45, and 60 degrees, Ultra-Shear offers more microbearing chamfers than any other manufacturer. With standard chamfers, you're left with inside corners that start and stop. You either have to live with it or try to fix them with hand tools and sandpaper. But the microbearing chamfers keep your profiles consistent around the corner. Whether it's toys, wall hangings, kitchen utensils, or sculptural projects, big bearings just can't finish the job. But Ultra-Shear's microbearing chamfers go in and out of the details effortlessly, completing the job beautifully. We manufacture these bits right here in Strongsville, Ohio, and sell them direct to the woodworker. No middleman markups and no ocean voyages. Just great bits at a great price. There's no puzzle here. Ultra-Shear carbide-tipped microbearing chamfers finish off your projects flawlessly. Order yours today. Have an idea for a router bit you would like to see in the Ultra-Shear lineup? Let us know with an email to mailroom@woodpeck.com.